How to create caricature cartoon design with Canva. First, add your photo. Here, we will use a male model photo from Canva library. Now, go to Apps, search Cartoon Filter. Open Cartoon Filter app. Select your photo and click on Cartoon and Replace. Cartoon Filter app automatically converts it to cartoon image. Now, select your image, click on Edit Image, then BG Remover. Click again on BG Remover. Now, adjust Eraser brush size. Erase all parts of body to get head alone. If you make mistake, you can restore the parts to select Restore option. Now, erase again. After this, go to Elements. Type Cartoon Man. Add an element. Click on Edit Image, then BG Remover. Edit Configure. Erase head of this element. Now, make the position of head to front. Also, scale its size to make a big head. Adjust its size position. Now, download this design in PNG format with transparent background. Upload it to Library. Add a new page. Add it to Canvas. Select the background. Change its color. Select your photo. Click on Edit Image. Then Shadows. Click on Outline. Change its color to white. Your caricature art is ready. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.